Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will create the HR schema and also we will create the HR tables. Actually, you will find in the attachments two scripts. The first one, create underscore HR underscore user. This script will create the user or create the schema. The second script called create underscore HR underscore tables. Actually, this script will create the tables and insert the data inside these tables. Now, I will open the SQL developer and I will open the first script called create underscore HR underscore user dot SQL. Actually, in order to create a user, you should connect as sys. So I will connect as sys. I will make right click to show you the connection details. You will find that the username sys as sysdba and this is the password, and I am connecting for a database called ORCL. So actually I am using Oracle 12c. And in Oracle 12c, we have a main database called Container Database, ORCL. And also I have pluggable databases like ORCL PDB. Actually, I will create the HR user inside the pluggable database ORCL PDB. So now I will keep the connection like this. So when I connect as sys, I will connect by default to the container database ORCL. Remember that the concept of container database and the pluggable databases only in Oracle 12c. Okay, very nice. So actually, when I connect as sys user, I will be on the container database. To move to the pluggable database, I will make this command alter session set container equal ORCL PDB. So this is the pluggable database I have. Remember that this option only in Oracle 12c. So if you have Oracle 11g, no need to do this command. It will not work with you. Just create this script. That's it. So now I will move to the pluggable database. You will find here sessions altered. Now I will execute this command. Create user HR2 identify by HR2. Actually, I am using here HR2 because I already have the user HR. So I make it HR2 to distinguish between this and the previous one. So create user HR2 identify by HR2. If you don't have this user, make it create user HR identify by HR. So this command will create the user. After that, you should give some privileges for this user. So I will make grant create session to HR2 in order to create a session. Grant create table, comma, create a view to HR2. Grant create procedure to HR2, grant create synonym, comma, create trigger to HR2, and I will make grant unlimited table space to HR2. So I will select all these commands and I will run the command. You will find like this: user HR created, grant succeeded. So the user already created and he have the privileges. Okay, that's it. Now what we will do, we will close the SQL developer. Then I will open another session for the SQL developer. Then I will go to the file. I will make a new. I will go to the connection. I will click OK. Now I will make a new connection. I will name the connection HR2. The username HR2 and the password HR2. I will go to the connection type. I will use the TNS name. Then I will go to the network alias. I will use the pluggable database ORCLPDB because the sys user created this user under the pluggable database ORCLPDB. I will make save password, then I will make connect. So you will find now the connection already opened. If you go to the HR2 here, you will not find any table, it's empty. So now what I will do, I will run this script create underscore HR underscore tables.sql. So actually, this is the path e:/script. I will take it like this. I will go to the SQL developer. I will make @ then the destination folder. Then I will make /. Then I will take this and paste it here. So at the path in order to execute this script. So I will select it like this. Then I will make run. So you will find now the script finish and you will find comment completed. At the beginning you will find some errors because I'm dropping some tables. If we go to the script, you will find, for example, that a drop procedure, drop sequence, drop table. So this, it will give you errors because these objects it's not exist. Then I will create the table and I will insert the values again. So you will find now that everything is fine. You will go to the connection again. If you click in the HR and make refresh, you will find all the tables. I have the employee, the departments, the countries, the job history, the jobs, locations, and regions. If you go to table employees, you will find this is the table of employees, this is the columns, and this is the data, and this is the constraint. For example, you will find a constraint EMP underscore IDPK. The employee ID is primary key. So I assume that you have all this information, and I already assume that you know how to create a script and run a script. So thank you for listening and see you in the next video.